You're watching your favorite show. The characters are talking fast, laughing, using words you've never seen in any textbook. You understand the sentence, but somehow you miss the joke. That's slang. And today, we're going to crack it open together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Plain Simple English. Today's lesson is one of my favorites, because we're stepping out of the classroom and into real English. The English people actually use. The English you hear in movies, TV shows, between friends, and on the street. We're talking about slang. We'll cover 6 popular slang words and phrases today. I'll explain what each one means, show you how it's actually used, and give you a tip for remembering it. If you enjoy this lesson, please hit like and subscribe. It helps so many other learners find this channel for free. Let's go. 1. Cool, that's impressive. I like it. Let's start with the most famous one. Cool. Originally, cool just described temperature, cold weather, a cool breeze. But somewhere along the way, it became one of the most useful words in casual English. Cool now means great, impressive, stylish, or simply, I'm okay with that. In movies, you'll hear it used like this. That car is so cool. It looks impressive. Yeah, I'll be there at 7. Cool. Okay, sounds good. She has a really cool sense of style. Stylish and unique. One word. 3 different meanings. Context is everything with slang. Tip to remember. Think of someone looking at something impressive and nodding slowly. Cool. Let's say it together. That's really cool. 2. Hang out. Spend time together, no plans needed. You'll hear this constantly in friend groups on screen. To hang out means to spend relaxed, casual time with someone. No agenda. No schedule. Just being together. We should hang out sometime. What are you doing this weekend? Just hanging out at home. We hung out at the mall for like 3 hours. Hang out is different from meeting someone. A meeting sounds formal and planned. Hanging out is easy and relaxed. Also notice, the past tense is hung out, not hanged out. That's a mistake even some native speakers make, so remember it. Tip to remember. Imagine just hanging around, doing nothing special, with someone you like. That's hang out. Let's say it together. Let's hang out this weekend. 3. Awesome, more than just good. Way more. Awesome is everywhere in American English, in movies, shows, conversations, and text messages. It means amazing, fantastic, or really impressive. It's a step above cool in energy. That concert was absolutely awesome. You're an awesome friend, seriously. Did you see that goal? Awesome. Here's something fun. Awesome originally meant something that caused awe, deep fear or wonder. Like standing at the edge of a mountain. Over time, it softened into everyday use. But the energy is still there. Use awesome when you're genuinely excited or impressed. If you say it for everything, it loses its impact. Tip to remember. Think of something that stops you in your tracks, makes your jaw drop. That's awesome. Let's say it together. That was absolutely awesome. 4. Chill, relax. Or just easygoing. Chill is one of those slang words that works as both a verb and an adjective, and you'll hear both constantly on screen. As a verb, it means to relax. I just want to chill tonight. No plans. Let's chill at home and watch something. As an adjective, it describes someone who is calm, easygoing, and not dramatic. He's so chill, nothing bothers him. Don't worry, she's really chill about it. You might also hear, chill out. Meaning calm down, stop overreacting. Chill out, it's not a big deal. Tip to remember, think of someone lying on a sofa, totally relaxed, no stress. That person is chill. That activity is chilling. Let's say it together, let's just chill tonight. 5. Bummer, that's disappointing. This one is so useful, and so underused by English learners. A bummer is a disappointment. Something that was supposed to be good, but didn't work out. The match got cancelled. That's such a bummer. I missed the concert. Total bummer. It's a bummer that you can't make it, we'll miss you. Bummer is not for serious situations. It's light and casual, for small disappointments in everyday life. If something truly terrible happens, you wouldn't say bummer. But for missed plans, bad luck, or minor letdowns, it's perfect. Tip to remember, something bumped your mood down. Bummer. Let's say it together, or that's a bummer. 6. No big deal, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Last one, and this phrase is incredibly useful in real conversations. No big deal means, it's not a problem, don't stress about it, it's fine. Sorry I'm late. No big deal, we just started. Can I borrow your charger? Sure, no big deal. I can't come tonight. No big deal, next time. It's a reassuring phrase. It tells the other person to relax. There's no need to apologize or feel bad. You might also hear, it's not a big deal, or that's no big deal, all the same meaning. Tip to remember, big deal equals important. No big deal equals not important. Easy. Let's say it together. Don't worry about it, no big deal. Here's your challenge for today. Pick any 2 slang words from today's lesson. Write a short conversation using both, even 2 or 3 lines is enough, and share it in the comments. I'll check every one and let you know if it sounds natural. Next time you watch a movie or show, listen out for these words. You'll start hearing them everywhere. And when you do, you'll actually get the joke. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like and subscribe, so you never miss a new one. Share it with a friend who loves movies and wants to sound more natural in English. You're not just learning English. You're learning how real people actually talk. And that's pretty awesome. See you in the next lesson.